It's our pleasure to take you on a tour of the brand new 2020 Country Star diesel motor coach. The all-new Country Star is our most affordable diesel coach. We'll begin in the Country Star cockpit, where a pair of power-adjustable flex steel captain's chairs provides comfort and support as you travel. The passenger seat offers a stowable workstation and a footrest. You'll also find our all-new digital dash display. For safer driving, side and rear view cameras come standard, and a Rand McNally navigation system is available to provide you with turn-by-turn directions. Your favorite music, audiobooks, or podcasts will sound incredible when played over the JBL Cockpit audio system, which is connected to 6 custom-tuned speakers. Comfort Drive adaptable steering technology comes standard, delivering an SUV-like driving experience. Next, we'll step into the Country Star living room. Today we are viewing Floorplan 4037, decorated with our Urban Fabrics package and furnished with a flex steel jackknife sofa and powered theater seating. Many other furniture options, such as a pair of recliners or a bunk sofa, are also available to complement your lifestyle. For added style, Country Star features designer wall sconces, hardwood slide-out fascia, and a designer feature ceiling. Grouted vinyl tile flooring in the kitchen, bathroom, and living area comes standard, or you may select optional vinyl plank flooring, shown here. If you're looking for entertainment, Country Star delivers with a Samsung LED TV, 2 Blu-ray disc players, and a Bose Solo 5 soundbar. A second TV can be added to the front overhead if you choose, and with 2 available Wi-Fi connectivity options, you're able to stream movies and TV shows. Moving into the Country Star kitchen, we find residential appointments like a hand-laid backsplash, polished solid surface countertops, and our harbor-glazed maple cabinetry with soft-close drawers. This particular Country Star is equipped with a chef-worthy appliance package, including an upgraded Whirlpool French door refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a recessed 3-burner range with a solid surface cover. When it's time to enjoy a meal, the Eurobooth dinette, shown here, welcomes you to take a seat. Just past the kitchen, in Floorplan 4037, we find the convenient half bathroom, designed with a vessel sink, linen cabinets, and a tile backsplash. Moving towards the rear of the coach, we enter the Country Star Master Suite. Floorplan 4037 grants you a king-size bed with a designer headboard and a plush pillow-top mattress, which you may upgrade to a Sleep Number adjustable mattress if you prefer. On either side of the bed, solid surface nightstands stow your nighttime essentials. For storage, you're presented with a 6-drawer dresser, flanked by 2 wardrobes. And to make the most of movie night, a Samsung LED TV with a Blu-ray player is positioned opposite the foot of the bed. Next, we'll look at the master bathroom in Floorplan 4037. Here we see a solid surface vanity with a rectangular undermount sink, a 35-inch sliding door corner shower, and medicine and linen cabinets. An additional wardrobe provides further storage for your clothing and other belongings. Add the available laundry station and enjoy the convenience of a 2-piece stacked washer and dryer. The brand new 2020 Country Star is available in 8 floor plans, ranging from 34 to 40 feet in length. This particular floor plan, 4037, measures 40 feet and 10 inches in length and features 3 power slide-outs, including a full wall slide. Each Country Star is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis with a V-Ride rear suspension and powered by a 360 horsepower Cummins diesel engine. Welded to the chassis is our Star Foundation, a steel superstructure that adds support and assures a quiet ride. Our exclusive full paint masterpiece finish, seen here in Urban, adorns the outside of each Country Star and is made possible by BASF and industrial finishes. The 2020 Country Star boasts a 1-piece molded fiberglass roof, frameless double-pane windows, and storage doors with heavy-duty side hinges. The carefree Traveler power side and entrance door awnings create space for you to relax in the shade and feature IllumiGuard and LED strip lighting. Choose the available outdoor entertainment center and you'll enjoy an LED TV and a Bluetooth-compatible soundbar. Among Kountry Star's other standard inclusions are hydraulic leveling jacks and an 8 kilowatt Cummins Onan Quiet Series diesel generator with automatic start.